Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Vanguard offline. First, make sure your game is completely installed and all updates are downloaded while you're online. This is crucial for a smooth offline experience. Once everything is ready, launch the game at least once while connected to the internet to verify the installation. After that, you can safely disconnect your console or PC from the internet. Once you're offline, you can dive into several exciting game modes. The full campaign story is available for you to enjoy at your own pace. You can also gather friends for local multiplayer matches, perfect for some couch co-op or competitive fun. Additionally, the Zombies mode offers a thrilling experience, whether you're playing solo or with a friend on split screen. Just remember, online progression and features won't be accessible. To ensure a smooth offline experience, here are a few helpful tips. If you encounter any errors, try verifying your game files through your platform settings. A simple system restart can often resolve issues if the game fails to launch. It's also a good idea to check for system software updates periodically, even if you plan to play offline. Finally, always ensure you have sufficient storage space for all game data. Playing Call of Duty Vanguard offline offers a fantastic way to enjoy the game without distractions. Immerse yourself in the rich campaign story, hone your skills in local multiplayer against friends or bots, and test your endurance in the challenging solo Zombies mode. It's a great opportunity to master the game's mechanics and explore content at your leisure. And for more great deals and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check out the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.